Hey there, garden lovers. Today I'm going to show you some easy DIY shade solutions to protect your garden from that harsh summer sun. Trust me, your plants are going to thank you for this. First up, let's talk about shade cloths. Shade cloths are super versatile and can be found at any garden store. They come in different densities, so you can choose how much sunlight you want to filter out. Just drape the cloth over some stakes or a simple frame, and boom! Instant shade. Another cool idea is to use umbrellas. Yup, you heard that right, umbrellas. You can find patio umbrellas or even those big beach umbrellas for cheap. They're portable and adjustable, which means you can move them around as the sun shifts. Plus, they add a pop of color to your garden. Now let's get a bit crafty with some DIY options. Have any old bed sheets or curtains lying around? You can repurpose them into garden shades. Attach them to poles or even an old clothesline. It's eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Just make sure they're securely fastened so they don't blow away. For those of you who love a natural look, try planting some fast-growing vines or sunflowers. These not only provide natural shade but also add beauty to your garden. Vines like morning glories or beans can climb trellises and create a green canopy over your plants. Sunflowers grow tall and can create a natural barrier against the sun. Let's not forget about the classic pergola. If you're a bit handy, building a pergola can be a rewarding project. It's a more permanent solution that offers excellent shade and adds a charming structure to your garden. You can even grow vines over it for added shade and beauty. And finally, if you're short on time or DIY skills, consider using shade sails. These are durable, easy to install, and come in various sizes and shapes. Anchor them to trees, poles, or your house to create a shaded area in your garden. They're a fantastic blend of function and style. Remember, protecting your garden from the sun not only helps your plants thrive, but also saves you water and effort. So give one of these shade solutions a try and watch your garden flourish. Thanks for tuning in and happy gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time.